Today I'm going to show you a one-light setup that instantly makes your renders look cinematic. Go to the World tab and set the background color to black. If your background isn't black, your lighting won't pop, period. Add a single area light. Set the size somewhere around 3 to 5 meters. Big lights give soft shadows, that's the cinematic look. Power? Start around 1000 watts. You can tweak later, don't overthink it. Now position it. 45 degrees to the side, slightly above the object and angled toward your subject. This is your hero light. Everything else supports this. Here's what most people miss. Watch the shadows, not the highlights. Good shadows give depth. Bad lighting kills it instantly. If it looks harsh, increase the light size. If it looks flat, move the light, not the power. Now here's the cheat code. Duplicate the light and move it behind your object. Drop the power way down, around 200 to 400 watts. This creates a rim highlight, separating your subject from the background. This is why your renders look flat, they blend into the darkness. If you want it grounded, add a plane underneath. Grab a simple concrete or asphalt material BlenderKit works fine. Turn the roughness up. Lighting is useless if your camera screams default. Set your focal length between 50 and 85 millimeters. Add a slight angle Straight on is boring. Turn on depth of field, keep it subtle. That's it, don't overcook it. Look at the difference. One main light, one rim light, that's it. Clean, cinematic, professional. If this helped you, drop a like, it tells the algorithm I'm not crazy. Subscribe if you want to make Blender look expensive.